Hi there, welcome back to SaDesign channel. Today I'll show you how to create neon effect in Photoshop. First, create a new layer. Use brush tool, B shortcut with sharp brown, and size in 12. Choose foreground colors is pink. Move to pen tool and draw a rectangle in the middle of the subject. Right-click to the rectangle, choose Stroke Path, select Brush in Toolbox and OK. Press Ctrl or Command H, open Blending Options. Check on Inner Glow, Outer Glow, and drop shadow boxes. Then OK. Next, create another new layer. Use brush with size around 130 pixels. Move again to pen tool and press Ctrl or Command H. Right-click to the corner of rectangle and select Stroke Path to double it. Press Ctrl H again to deselect. Change blending mode from normal to lightning dodge and reduce the fill to 40%. Place two layers into group and add layer mask to it. Use brush tool with black in foreground and remove the neon light on her head, just like the neon light is surrounding her. After that, create a new layer. Choose black in foreground and go to Filter, Render, Clouds. Change blending mode to lightning dodge and fill it with 40%. Put layer 3 into group and hold Alt or Option. Left click to create a black layer mask. Use brush tool with big size, white in foreground. Press Ctrl or Command H to take the path of rectangle. Choose Stroke Path one more time and deselect the path with Ctrl or Command H. Move to layer 3, hold Alt or Option to create black layer mask. Take brush tool. Select the wheel icon and choose Import Brushes. And take Smoke Brushes file. I'll put this brush in the description in case you need it. Open the Smoke Brush folder and take Smoke number 9. Use this brush to paint on the edge of shape. Duplicate group to copy with Ctrl or Command J and adjust the opacity to 40%. Use curve to darken the image, so the neon light will pop out clearly. Use hue saturation. Check to colorize box and increase saturation to 50. open blending options, and increase the half of black triangle in this layer to 136. That's all. Enjoy your result. If you think this video is helpful, hit like, subscribe and ring the bell for any guide video later on. See ya!